Hi guys, so this is actually my other platings. I actually have tons of this, but this is actually one of the more unique ones which I wanted to show you guys. Now in my last video, I actually covered my 5 favorite food photos that are individual shots. To this one, we're going to be covering my 5 favorite setup photos. Now it's actually going to rain here and a little bit dark outside. I don't think you guys can see at the back. I'm going to try a different setup today. I have my another Lux pad here. I'm going to put it at the back to be able to give some form of background lighting at my back. And let's see how it looks. Is it better? Do you guys like this? Alright, let's get down to my 5 favorite setup food photos. So now my 5th favorite food setup is this photo over here. As you can see, there are different meats that's placed on top of here. So I really like this photo as you can see a variety of colors within this flat lay. On the left, you can see the bright green colors of the broccoli, while on the center, you can see the orangey of the sausage itself. And on the right, you can see the bright yellow corn. No doubt there are a lot of improvements in terms of props and backgrounds or even color editing, but I'm still quite satisfied with the effort that I put in for this and the outcome I received. So number 4, now there's a little story behind this. This was actually one of my first few photography clients, and he actually had a request. He did not want any external background, but just use the concrete background that is actually on the floor of his cafe itself. He really had an idea of what he wanted. He wanted a flat lay and the different pasta along with its raw form to be able to place on the ground. I actually make sure that each one of the pasta and the ingredients is spaced appropriately apart so that it doesn't look very cramped but yet showcase the different varieties of this menu. Now this is actually a pasta menu which he wanted me to shoot, and somehow I think I managed to get it done, and all the things which I wanted to be captured is actually shown over here. So number 3 is this Indian food over here. Now I forgot what's this dish called, chapati or something, but on the right side you can see clearly it's Assam curry. You can also see all the other raw ingredients that make up of this curry: the curry powder, the chili flakes, chili leaves, lady's finger, onion. So I actually shot this photo at about 11 AM in the morning, so the light coming in was actually ideal. So now the second element is actually the surface. The surface is actually from the owner herself. It was actually one of her dining table and we actually used it for this shot. I did not bring extra paper backgrounds or whatever because the owner had really relayed to me that she wanted this to be at the back. So with all the elements such as the raw ingredients, the light, the surface, I really like this photo, which is a number 3. So now the photo at number 2 is this setup of the mooncakes. Now, for us Chinese, we actually had this celebration called the Mid-Autumn Festival, which we eat mooncakes and carry out little lanterns to so-called frighten out the ghosts. So they wanted to have their mooncakes shot and being sold. I was actually given the mooncakes along with the plate, and the other things over here are actually from the shop itself. What I like about this photo, you can see the natural, authentic items that is present over here, such as the teapot, the tea leaves, the mold at the bottom left, which is for the mold for the mooncakes, and the symmetry of all these different elements put together. So I really like this photo, which is a number 2. Now my number 1 favorite one is this flat lay. As you can see, I actually blurred out some of the logos over here as I did not ask the restaurant before I showed this on my YouTube channel, so I wanted to be safe. But I really like this photo as it showcases all the different textures of the scrambled eggs, the bread, along with the natural ingredients such as the eggs and the aloe vera. I forgot what's that on the top right. But basically, I really love this natural glow of light that makes you feel that this is actually shot in the morning. Now what I could have improved on is actually the flower that's on the top left, or the leaf. I feel that it still looks a little bit artificial, but let me know what you guys think about it. Overall, I'm still very satisfied with this photo as it gives you a very nice vibe towards it. A very glowy and morning feel, just like the one that I shot for the Indian food itself. My client was very pleased and I was very pleased with the outcome which we managed to get with this photo. So now I hope you guys like my 5 favorite food setups. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet, and ring the bell notification over here so you'll be updated of my next upload. Do also check out this 5 grades playlist, which this whole video is also included in. I'm basically covering my 5 favorites or I hate most kind of topics over here, so I think you'll be interested in this one. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.